Hey YouTube. Alright, so the front panel and the rear panel is in there. The roll bar's bolted down and it's looking pretty good. I coated my work with the por15. Now I wanted to put body filler, not body filler, but body caulking around the panels. I think I'm going to let the owner do that because she knows how to do caulking and there's no reason why she couldn't do it. And I'll just show her where to put it. Now I do have to put the emergency brake in there yet and the seat. So we're going to put the emergency brake in. The gas pedal has to be put in. And I still didn't do this outside here yet. I need to finish this. But I did coat the bottom of the underside of this. Everywhere where there's metal now inside, there's coating under the body as well. So a couple days sitting here or another day will help that to dry good. The only thing on the inside here is I got to drill holes for the brace on that side, which, you know, this is what it is. It takes time to do this, but anyway, this part of it's looking good. I'll maybe get a better view of the whole thing from back here. I think so, yeah. So that's, you know, basically what we're looking at there. It's a nice job, and like I say, I was going to coat the edges, but I don't have body filler or body caulking right now, so seam sealer. So I'm going to let her do that because she'll be able to do that herself. Like I say, they both know how to do caulking, her and her husband, so let them do that. And it came out good. Satisfied with it. I think she'll be satisfied with this, and that's all that matters. So it should last a pretty good long time with that por15 on both sides of that panels, and with the undercoating on the bottom of it as well. So I'm not going to worry about that. So the seat, mirror, doors, gas pedal, emergency brake. That's what has to be done here yet. And then, like I say, they can put the seam sealer in here. I end up with another armful of, or a thing full of tools here, trying to do all the little things I was doing. And getting the bolts out of the roll bar was such a pain. And they're not done yet. That side has to be done. So a couple days yet, and that'll be it. Okay. I don't know if you can see underneath there. I don't really think you can see under there, but I put coating under that. So as far as the weather, guys, I don't know, these friggin' weathermen are really screwed up. They've been calling for snow for the last week, and all that's happening is the snow that we have, like you can see a little puddle of it there along the edges where I plowed it, it's almost gone. Even the wood, even the snow on top of the wood is almost gone. The thing is they were saying we were going to have snow. I'm not looking for snow. I don't care if we have it or don't have it, but the problem with it is that, you know, they're saying snow and cold weather. The weather's been cold. It's probably like 33 right now. You can see the ground looks like it's wet. It's not really wet, but it's, you know, it may be damp, I suppose. But it's about 33, so it's not really that cold. What I don't like about not having snow is that when the frost comes in, the really heavy duty frost, if there's no snow, the frost penetrates the ground pretty deep. I don't like that because of the water, you know, pipes and just the foundation and everything of what's out here. So I'd rather if it snowed first and then the frost can't really penetrate that deep. But we'll see what happens. Some of the normal things that happen around here is that at deer season, we usually get rain the first or second day, or fog, and then after that, by that first Saturday in deer season, and deer season starts. It usually starts on a Monday. I think it's starting Saturday this year, but it's a Monday after Thanksgiving and lasts for 2 weeks. Deer, bear, deer, bear, and doe season, I believe, it is this year. I'm only interested in buck season. I don't care about the bear. I don't want to shoot a bear because I have no way of carrying it around, and I don't want to have to go in the woods with my backhoe after it. And also, I don't shoot doe, so be buck season for me soon. And usually the second week of buck season is definitely cold, usually snow on the ground, and then from there it stays cold. That's normal. Now, abnormal, we've had snow in October that never went away until May. So we have to see what's happening. From what I understand, a little north of us, they may still have some snow. But it's weird this year. It's not doing what it normally does. I'm just glad all the leaves are gone. Okay, guys, well, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed the work I did on this Jeep. Maybe I don't think I'll do any more videos on the Jeep, but I enjoyed working on it. You know, it's a nice little Jeep. I think that if the lady takes care of it and keeps fixing what's wrong with it, you know, here and there, I think she'll have a nice little prize later on in life. So I need to still fix this side, which I'll do. But it's going to be tomorrow because it's already quitting time. It's 4:30. I just came back with the dog. Oh, okay. This is a box of drywall screws and a box of metal plating for trusses that I'm going to be making. I asked the neighbor to pick this stuff up because they're his trusses, and we're going to go from there. And yeah, that's it. The other thing is Carol. It fits. It's nice and snug. Thank you, Carol. I really appreciate your efforts. Yeah, so that's about it for today. Have a good one, guys, and thanks for all your comments and stuff. I really appreciate them. Have a good one.